Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Simply Investing. Welcome to the morning chat. Lots of fun stuff going on. Yesterday the Dow didn't seem to like any of what's going on, but c'est la vie. I think I was only like 0.5% up yesterday. Made some good calls being in AT&T. That kind of rose a little bit there for me, and yeah, most of my stocks are down. So, but I was still flat, which is pretty good. So I'm hoping for is today that we start to rally, but I think we should be down for today as well. Lots of interesting things going on. Still, market's still trying to digest the Fed rate increase, but you're only looking at a 0.25% increase, and then you're going to look at probably 4 more of those over the next year, possibly. So we're probably going to have one before the start of next year, or at the beginning in January, and then we'll have 4 more to 2017. Now, that could affect a lot of things. It would affect banks very well, because of course they'll be able to make more money off of the loans they're generating. Oh good lord, the sun is bright today. Oof. Anyway, they'll make more money off of the loans they generate, as well as they will also be able to slow down on fee generation. But I don't know about that either, because I think banks like Bank of America, Citibank, the big banks, they're gonna keep plowing away with those fees. So, and I think that's the way banks right now feels, that they can only make money off of fees. And they're probably right. If you don't lend to anyone, you won't make any money. So banks make money by lending money, small loans or big loans, however it is. Good lord, the sun is killer today. Fucking A. Anyway, so that's how banks generally make their money, is through loans. And since they're not doing it right now, and mortgages are kind of tipping downward, I would still say that there are some banks in there that will make it, such as Bank of America, just because they're making a shit ton of money off of fees, and that's how they decide to do their business. So, taking that into consideration, I would say Bank of America is pretty good, but I still like Wells Fargo better than Bank of America. I still think you should go into Wells Fargo more than Bank of America. Another good series of banks would be, I'd go with the small regional banks too. Well, not small, but they're not the big guys. Like, I would go for CFG, Ally, who's another good one? Actually, that's it. Maybe BBT. Maybe. That's a strong maybe. I mean, their stock has been pretty much flat for the last 3 years, but they pay dividends. So all I can say is get in when it drops down to 36. If you're going to buy the stock, sell it when it gets to 39, or just hold it until it goes back down and buy some more. And you could do that forever. I just don't see it going anywhere until it's eventually bought out. If you want to know what that symbol is, the symbol is BBT. So have at it. Retailers I like. I do like Best Buy and JCPenney. JCPenney I think is a good buy right now. They're still trying to scramble with their feet and get their trying to move their company in the right direction. So I think that would be a good company to get into, especially since it's less than $10. I like Best Buy, even though they have a lot of challenges. I like Best Buy. And I like Walmart now. Not so much. Not enough to go balls deep in it, but enough to really put 5% of my portfolio into it. That's how much I like it. simply because it's down at the tipping point. I think they're readjusting, and I think they're finally realizing that you can't keep selling shit products to people and expect people to keep coming back. So I think they're in the works of readjusting. Their stock's still going to fall a little bit, but I think overall it'll be pretty good. So, that said, other people, I would avoid staying away from oil companies, but power suppliers I would get involved with. So, like, your electric companies, start buying the services that people need on a day-to-day basis to form your foundation of your portfolio. And then just ride it out, because they are paying tremendous dividends, and they're making money on a steady, regular, linear pace. So, that's all I said. That's my plan for right now. I'm really just kind of observing the market. I'm not really making any strong pushes or plays. If you guys have any likes, certainly comment and suggest to me those. I would be happy to look into stocks for you once I get my little studio area set up for my for these videos. So instead of just doing them on my way in to work, if you sorry, I'm just driving. People are ridiculous. Like the Facebook page, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, always saying, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Also trying to get to 100 likes. We're getting there. We are getting there. So, but to guys, keep liking. Thank you for your all support. If you wish to do more, always click the fan option to support, so I can make snazzier videos, which is what I hope to do once I get my area cleaned up, so I can start buying equipment for this. And with that said, thanks guys. Have a good day in trading. Respect the process. Follow the process. Remember, don't get too emotional about your trades. Stay focused on just stay focused on your goal. And don't get worried about if you're losing money too fast. Don't get emotional about the loss. Restep, reconfigure, and move forward. See if your pool of investments is really working out. That said, good luck on trading today. See you next time.